Hi there, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of an automation bot I've built to streamline your real estate data tasks. This bot combines manual input and automation. You begin with a few simple steps, and the bot takes care of the rest efficiently and accurately. First, the bot will automatically open your browser and take you to the website where you want to work. From here, you log in manually using your credentials. This keeps your login secure. Here we will apply all the filters manually according to the requirements. Once the results are displayed, open the first listing in the list. At this point, you'll see a prompt. Press Enter to hand over control to the bot. Press Enter, and the bot will take over from here. The bot will close any unnecessary tabs. Navigate through each listing, extract essential information such as address, full name, email address, phone number. As the bot processes each listing, you'll see the extracted data displayed in real time. After processing all listings, the bot compiles the data into an organized Excel sheet with columns for each data point. Each time you run the bot, it generates a unique Excel file. You can adjust the filters as needed for different searches. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.